Hi guys, this is Sunil and welcome back to my channel. So today we will talk about file permission on Linux. So let's start. So we will talk about the how to see the file permissions in Linux. So ls-le, you can use this command to check the files and directory. So here you can see first field. If this field will start with D, that means this is a directory. If the field start with hyphen, that means it is a file. So let's create one empty file. Okay. So you can see here is the hyphen, right? First field is a hyphen. That means file 1 is a file. Let's create the directory. Sorry, mkdir the command. Now check. So the dir one is start from the D, right? So this is a directory. So my id is I am logging with Mohan. So here in this directory the owner is Mohan and the group also is a Mohan, right? And it is created on 6th Feb and this is the time, right? So what are these fields? RWX, RWX, X, R hyphen X. So we will talk about these fields. So this R means read, W means write, X means execute. And what are these fields? We will talk about this. Right? So let's start. So R represents read permission, W represents write permission, X represent execute permission, and hyphen represent no permission, right? So let's say in the numeric format. So read will represent with 4, write will represent with 2, execute will represent with 1, right? Now we will see how to change the permission. So chmod is the commands. By using that we can change the permission on file. So chmod permission and file name, right? This is the command. So permission, we can see anything. We can give read, write, execute permission. We will see soon. So there are two ways to use the command. One is the absolute page, one is symbolic way, right? How to change the ownership of the files? Let's say you are the owner. You want to change the file owners to other owner. So chown is the command and put the user over here and the file name. In case you want to change the owner as well as group, so this is the commands chown use user colon group and file name. In case you want to change the group owner only, so ch group is the command, chgrp group and the file name or directory name, whatever. So symbolic representation, we will see there is a operator. Plus means addition of the access on file or directory. Minus means remove the permission. Equals to means set the permission and override the permission as said earlier, right? The various owner are represented as. So U means user or owner, both are same. G means group, O means other, A means all, right? So here in file, so in files, if you see there is three field. One is owner, another field is group, and the last is other, right? So this is represented in octal number, right? If you use 100, it means owner having execute permission and group another having no permission, right? If you use 1 1 0, it means owner having execute and group having execute and other do not having, right? You got it. So, so we will see how we can use this. So as you know, 4 means read, 2 means write, and 1 means execute. If I give here 7 7 7, this means owner is 7, group 7 and other 7. What this 7 means here? 7 will represent it like 4 plus 2 plus 1. This will be equals to 7, right? So this means it having read permission, write permission and execute permission for all. So this will become read, write, execute. Again it will become read, write, execute, and next 7 read, write and execute, right? So it will become 777. If I say 755, what it means? Owner is 7, group is 5 and other is 5. So 7 means read, write, execute. 2 4 plus 2 plus 1. How will you represent 5? So 5 can be 4 plus 1 equals to 5, right? It means read and execute. So 7 will become read, write, execute for the owner. Okay, read, there is no write, and execute. Again read, there is no write, and it will be execute. Like this we can set the permissions. So let's see how can you use. Okay, I am entering into directory 1. So I am creating here some files. Touch F1, F2. I have created 2 files, F1 and F2, ls-l. Okay, so you can see here default permission is read write and read only. So what is this? Read write means 5, sorry, read write 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 equals to 6. That means read write. Okay, so then it is a 6 6 and 4. If you want to see this, how you can see, there is a command state and then F1. So you can see here 664, 0 means no permissions. So first field is used when we will use SUID, SCID and sticky bit. The first field is represented for that, and 664 you can see here there is a 664. By state command you can know what is the numeric format of the permission in particular file, right? Let's create directory mkdir dir1 dir2. Okay, let's check who is the owner of this file. ls f1 ls hyphen l. You can see Mohan and Mohan, right? I want to change this permissions, so there is a command chmod and then permission. What permission you want to set? Let's see. I want to give owner full permission and other I want to give groups as a read and write, let's say 6, and others only can read 6764, right? And F1. Let's say it's so F1 is a read write execute. So this is the owner, this is group read write permission only, and others having only read permission, right? Same thing you can change for chmod directory as well. Chmod, let's say I am saying 775 and dir 1, sorry, dir 1. Okay, let's check the permission on dir 1. So dir 1, you can see read write execute, again 7 read write execute, next is 5 means 4 plus 1 read and execute permission only. Okay, if I want to change the owner from Mohan to root or any other user, how will you do that? There is a command chown. Chown, what owner you want to use? Let's say I'm saying Sunil and then F1. So invalid user, Sunil is not there. So let's create Sunil user. User at Sunil. If you want to add this user, that group use -g. Okay, user at, let's say, Sandeep. So by normal user I cannot create the user, it do not have the permission. I can use sudo. Okay, so now I'm root, I can create user now. User at NTIP Sandeep. Okay, so I'm going into Mohan again. So cd ls hyphen l. Let's see, chown. I want to change the user from Mohan to Sandeep. Okay, and then file 1. Sorry, I have used sndip. Chown changing ownership of file 1 operation not permitted. So as a normal user I cannot change the permissions. You do not have the ownership, right? You do not have permissions to use the chown command from the normal user. So what I have to do is I can go on root, I'm going into home directory of Mohan and dir ls-l. So from here I can change information. So ch on hyphen chown, sorry, santip Sandeep and use F1. So now I am able to change the permission from the root. Okay, you can check here F1 Sandeep is changed. Okay, but group is still Mohan. Group I can change anything, right? From Mohan to Sohan and anything. So let's, I want to change the group. So what command you have? chgrp. If you want to change group only, so it will change the group also. So here you can see it is a Sandeep and Sandeep, right? And now we will check for the directory as well. So let's say chown. If I want to change directory permission from Mohan to Sandeep colon which group. Let's say I want to say root. Sandeep is a user and root is a groups. Suppose that, and dir1. Okay, now check the permission of the file. So dir1 changed to Sandeep and it changed to root. So only Sandeep can having read write execute access and the root member having read write execute access, and rest of the other user can read and execute the files only. So if you go in dir1, and if I create any file, okay, so I can read this file test. If you log in as Mohan, see other user having only read and execute permission, they cannot write. So let's log in into Mohan and go to directory dir1, again dir1. Here I have created test file, so you can check permission as well. So other having read permission already over here, right? So if you want to do cat test file, you can read it. If you want to edit this file, vi test, if I add anything, if I want to change, see read only option is set. If forcefully, you cannot. So you got it right. So if you log in as a root, you can change the permission on the file, right? So you understand this. And there is a one more way, that is called u for user. We can use this command as well, like u for user owner, g for group, o for other, a for all. Let's try this way. So if I want to do ls-l cd.dot, let's go to the ls-l. So here is a file which I am owner of the f2. Let's do chmod, and I want to change the owner permission. I want to change other permission. O means other plus write. Okay, other can write. W means write, and then F2. Now just check the permission. F2 other having write permission as well. Earlier there was the read permission. If you want to do execute as well, here you can use X. Now check the permission. In F2 other having read, write and execute permission, right? In this way also you can use. So there is a one concept called umask, right? So by default there is a permission in file 666. If you given 666 file permission, so there is one concept called umask. So umask will be 0002. Okay, if you deduct 0666 minus 0002, it will become 664. So by default permission on the file will be 664. It will deduct the umask from the permission you have given to the file. right? So this is all we have seen about the we have seen about all the permissions, how to change the directory permissions and ownership, and the file permission and ownership. Okay, that's all. Practice in your local system. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I will respond as soon as possible. So thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.